Do you ever feel like AI is supposed to make your business easier, but somehow it's just making it more frustrating? You open ChatGPT, type a question, and instead of getting something usable, you get vague, generic answers that don't really help. Or worse, you waste hours tweaking your prompts and still don't get what you want. You're not alone. This is the one of the biggest struggles I hear from business owners every single day. Hi, I'm Paul, and I'm just like you. I'm a business owner who wanted to make ChatGPT work for me, not against me. Over the past few years, I built multiple businesses and online courses. And trust me, I've made all the mistakes, so you don't have to. I know how frustrating it is when AI feels like a magic trick you just can't master. That's exactly what I created this class, to help you take back control and actually get ChatGPT to do exactly what you need every time. In this class, you'll learn the simple, powerful prompt formula, a proven system designed specifically for business owners. By the end of this class, you'll be able to craft prompts that give you clear, actionable, and high value output without the trial and error. You'll save time, get better results, and finally make AI work like the personal assistant you always wish you had. What makes me excited about this is simple. Once you learn how to structure prompts the right way, you unlock insane possibilities for your business. Whether it's marketing, content creation, customer service, or sales, AI can automate and elevate everything if you just know how to talk to it correctly. I created this class for business owners who want to use AI to grow faster, work smarter, and save thousands of hours without feeling confused, overwhelmed, or wasting money on endless AI tools that don't work as promised. You don't need any AI background or technical experience for this class. All you need is an internet connection, a free access to ChatGPT. That's it. I'll walk you through every step in plain, simple language. Inside, you'll discover the full prompt formula. First, I'll show you the number one structure behind every great ChatGPT prompt for business owners. Then, I'll break down each part of the formula so you can apply it easily. You'll see me craft real prompts live, step by step. You'll also learn the most common mistakes people make when prompting and how to avoid them like a pro. I'll even give you a real-world examples tailored to different types of businesses. So, you're not just learning theory, you're getting ready to use templates. Finally, you'll take on the prompt challenge, where you'll apply everything you've learned and create your own powerful prompt using the formula. The best part? This class comes with a hands-on project that lets you instantly apply what you've learned. No fluff, no filler, just results. So if you're tired of feeling stuck, wasting time, or watching AI generate useless content, this is your chance to change that. Inside this course, you'll learn exactly how to make AI work for your business fast. And by the end, you'll have created your very own business-ready AI prompt, ready to put to work today. Click play and let's dive into the first lesson. I'll see you inside.